So there's this problem every agency and business deals with. Like invoices go out and then they just sit there. Some clients pay on time, a lot don't, and if you're not manually checking a spreadsheet every single day, overdue invoices they slip through the cracks. This is Nimbus digital invoice tracker, and you can already see a few of these they are overdue already. You can see Maria is overdue for 14 days already. You can see Buju too, it is overdue for 7 days. So instead of checking this by hand, I built something that does it automatically every day without you even having to touch it at all. So this is an automated invoice collection system, and here is the full workflow. Like it runs on a schedule, and it pulls every invoices from the sheet and figures out exactly what needs to happen next. So firstly, it grabs all the invoices, then it calculates how many days overdue each one is, and rounds it to the nearest checkpoint, like 7, 14, 21, 28 days. And anything that's not overdue yet, it just gets filtered out. So we are only working with invoices that actually need our attention. And for every invoice that's left, it goes and pull our actual Gmail conversation with that client, and it puts it together into one clean history. It's put it together into one clean history. And this part actually matters because it means that our AI isn't just working blind. It knows exactly what's already being said, like what we've discussed with the clients before. And this is really the heart of the whole system, because before it writes anything, it checks that conversation that it pulls before, it checks it, and if we already talked to this client in the last 72 hours, it just keeps them. And no point sending a follow-up to someone who literally just replied. But it's clear to follow up. But if it's clear to follow up, it's write a personalized email and adjust the tone based on how overdue the invoice is, light and friend for 7 days, and a lot firmer by 28 days. And then it filters everything down to only the invoices that are ready to be followed up right on time. So let's just run this and see what happens. And you can see we have our loop too. It picks it one by one. It works on it one by one, one by one, one by one. So let's let's execute our workflow. You can see it is going. It is already drafting our email. You can see how it is already picking the second one. So stop. Let's stop it. Now let's go and check our Gmail draft. Load, load fast, fast. Get this. Let me open the our draft. Okay, let me enlarge it. You can see it already wrote our draft. You can see it is written specifically for Maria, and it is referencing our actual invoice and the exact amount she owes and the right tone for 14 days. As you can see, does not send immediately because it drops it as a draft, and so there's still a human checking it before anything actually goes on. And this runs completely and off every single day. It only reaches out to clients who genuinely need a nudge. No more forgotten voices, no more manually chasing people for money that you are already owed. And This system, it's just handle easily. And I'm Zaina Baladukon, and this is how I build automations that gives people their time back. Thank you, and don't forget to work with me and like my video. Thank you very much.